Here is the Royalty Act. This is class 10th history and chapter number 2. Here is the Royalty Act, which was passed in 1919 against the next nationalism thoughts which were widespread in India. Britishers had passed this bill as to uh, crush the power of politicians in India. The act has usually passed through the Imperial Legislative Council, defeats the united options of the Indian member. It it gave a enormous power to repress political activities, allowed detentions of the political prisoners without any trial for 2 years. So they can keep anyone under imprisonment without any trial for 2 years. So this was very uh, exploiting views of Britishers for Indians. So against to this royal attack, Mahatma Gandhi started a movement uh, uh, which started by Hartal, which happened on 6 April 1919. Uh, Hartal means a type of strike. So in which it is also known as Royalist Satyagraha. So basically, British administration decided to camp down the nationalism. Local leaders were picked from Amritsar, and Mahatma Gandhi were barred for entering Delhi. So just types of activities were done in this Royalty Act, and however, by the exploitation and too much humiliating Indians, there were widespread anger were happened by the publics as they were attacking on bank, post office and railway station. So martial law had applied through General Dyer in India, and General Dyer took the command to apply maintain law and order condition, which is known as martial law. So on the 13th April, he took a big steps to implement and accomplish his work in the ground of Jallianwala Bagh, where a huge crowded were assembled, and he had started fire on the crowd, and this mass crew killed hundreds of the pupils, and there was no doorway to uh, leave that place. And so Jallianwala Bagh spread crowds through the streets in many North Indian towns. They were strike clash with the police, and attacks on the government buildings were started after this massacre. After some period, seeing the violence spread all over, Mahatma Gandhi had called off this movement. This movement. So after it, Mahatma Gandhi had took a new step for the movement, and he had decided to make next movement, which was non-cooperative movement, which happened in Calcutta, in 1920. At the contemporary time, there was a Khalifa of Ottoman Empire. He led Islamic world, who was just removed by the Allied powers after First World War. So there were a big uh, disappointment of Muslim community against this view. So Mahatma Gandhi had tried to cash this disappointment with his movement, as non-cooperative movement is in the support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj.